Hi, greetings from Jerusalem. You can see here today we've got a lot of volunteers at the Jerusalem Assistance Center. We're preparing for the holiday of Rosh HaShanah, which is the Jewish New Year. And as part of that, we're blessing about 1,400 Holocaust survivors with a special basket. In the basket is actually a special handmade piece of pottery. It's a beautiful piece of pottery that was made out in Samaria, the biblical heartland. I'd like to show you what this pot looks like. It's actually really pretty. It says Shana Tova, which is Happy New Year. It's a beautiful piece of pottery. And then this is what the completed basket looks like. It comes with a jar of honey and some apples, and it's beautifully decorated. Each Holocaust survivor is also getting a parcel of food along with the wonderful gift that we're giving them, and you can see all the volunteers packing the food over here. Thank you so much for all of your support that allows us to be able to do this and to bless the people of Israel.